Alrighty, got this here pass load nail gun here, and what we'll do is we'll just try to get these somewhat squared up just a little. Let's see. They don't have to be perfect. All right, got it jacked up now. I've got a jack right here, got a jack right here, and I'm gonna give them a little look tap to make sure they're seated just right. Well, I believe that's about everything I'm going to be able to get done today, except for doing some wire brushing, which I'm not going to bore you guys to death with. I'm going to have to get a bigger angle grinder or borrow one from someone or something, because it's November the 4th right now, and I mean the wind's blowing like crazy. I'm not sure what the temperature is. I know this morning it was 27 degrees. It's can you see it? It's 53 degrees right now with the wind blowing. So I don't know how well I'm gonna be able to paint it out here, but I mean, it is just my budget trailer build. I've got my tires, got new brake drums with the bearings, the backing plate with the brakes on it. I'm gonna get on this thing and start wire wheeling on it. So 4 more clearance lights, 2 red, 2 amber, and 3 of the red little, like the bar light that goes across the back. But thanks for watching.